Hey! It's nice to see everyone again. Welcome to Excel Academy English Grammar channel. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons below and continue to follow us. I'm Jessie. Today, we are going to learn one part of a two-part video series. We're going to learn about the use of words as complements. Stay tuned. In grammar, a complement is a word that improves or completes another word. This is easy to remember because, as you might have noticed, the words complete and complement have the same root. In English, there are two types of complements: subject complements and object complements. But in today's video, we will learn about subject complements. Stay tuned to next week's video for object complements. Now, a subject complement can only be used when a sentence has a linking verb, which is then followed by a word that modifies or renames the subject in some way. So the word complements or completes the subject. Do we get it? Let's take a look at an example. Sharon is a student. Here, the word student is the subject complement, telling us more precisely who or what Sharon is. Let's look at another one. How about John's little brown dog was a dachshund? Now, we definitely know more about the little dog because of this subject complement. It tells us his exact breed. Now, you may know subject complements by another name: predicate nominatives. If so, you know that there are two kinds of predicate nominatives as well: predicate nouns and predicate adjectives. The complements we just used, student and dachshund, are both nouns, so those are predicate nouns. More specifically, this means that they are nouns within the predicate that link up with the subject by means of a linking verb. That's not that hard, right? Now, what about predicate adjectives? They're easy. Instead of using a noun as the subject complement, you simply use an adjective. Let's look. Sharon is generous, always giving people gifts. Here, the linking verb connects the subject, Sharon, with an adjective, generous, which improves our understanding of the kind of person Sharon is. Let's look at another example like before. John's little dachshund was very playful. Because of this helpful predicate adjective, we now have an improved understanding of John's dog. He wasn't lazy or mean. He loved to play. Understanding subject complements, which are more commonly studied, can help you better understand object complements. So tune in next time to learn more. And again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Until next time, everyone.